Yeah, hi guys. Hello. This is question 21. So let's solve this quickly. This one is not too difficult. Yeah, if you really calm down and look at it, it's not too difficult. Yeah. But I'll give you a tip today. Whenever you see all these standalone uh molecules that are just on their own, that's what you're going to balance last. Okay. Because even if you do your other manipulations here, put 8 or 16 or whatever you do here, the hydrogen that is being influenced here can be corrected here by just placing a particular number here, and then you'd correct whatever you did here. Okay. So that's why I said these ones that are standing on their own, you balance them last. Okay. So now let's see. If we're balancing things like hydrogen, H2, and the Fe, if we're balancing them last, then what are the things we're supposed to start with right now? Well, that would leave us with trying to balance the water here or something. Okay, so we have Fe3O4. That's what's looking complex. I guess I should start with that. For the Fe3, I know that would not be a problem. I'll just put a 3 here when I'm done with everything. So I'm not doing that now. Let's tackle the oxygen, shall we? O4. This is just here. So I need to put a 4 because of the oxygen. So that 4 has balanced the oxygen now. Now the 4 I dropped there has made my hydrogen 8. So I have to go over there and balance the hydrogen. So I'll do that by placing a 4 here. That should balance my hydrogen. And what else? That's almost all, except that my iron is not balanced. So I have to put a 3 here. And that should do it for me, right? So Fe3O4 has now been balanced. The whole equation has now been balanced and everything is looking very good. So this is our final answer, guys. As a final answer. Do you have any questions? If you want to ask me any questions, you can find me here, copy_chemistry on Instagram. So you could send your questions if you have. But if I explained this well and you got it, then that's good. That's good. Otherwise, we'll see you on IG. All right. Enjoy.